Travessa do Canal dos Patos, Rua do Laboratório, walking round Green Island of Macau. Ooh, Green Island. Ooh, streets of Macau. Ooh, up by the border of Macau. Oh, walking Travessa do Canal dos Patos, Travessa do Canal dos Patos. Oh, walking Rua do Laboratório, Rua do Laboratório. Ooh, Green Island. Ooh, streets of Macau. Ooh, up by the border of Macau.
Okay, this street's called Laboratorio, Hua, and I believe it goes down this way, and there's another one down that way. So we'll kind of see what we can see. The border is pretty close to here, including Jingmao, which is a border gate, which is right over this building right over there. But we're gonna be walking down this way. So we'll here's Yoho Macau Tower, tall apartments. Let's put this up on the map so we see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, this is in my effort to document all the different streets in Macau. This is called Rua do Laboratório. There's some supermarkets down here as well, and a beauty shop. And we'll just see what's all in here. There's a Rua and a Travessa do Laboratório, so I don't know, we'll see how reasonable this is. There's also the social housing building, so there's some signs for that right here as well. And then we have two signs directly down that way. We're gonna capture that in a moment as well. And then we'll see what's all in here. So here's the Rua. And then over there I can see Travessa, and they have the same name. So it looks like the Travessa is right here. Travessa. And basically this looks like this. I'm not even gonna walk down it. There's a big main road right there. This kind of is the bulk of Macau, and then over this way is Green Island straight ahead. So we're gonna try to capture. It looks like Rua goes down that way, like that. And then our Travessa right here goes like this. And there's the social housing department, and it looks like they have a bunch of apartments up there. I think those might be social housing apartments. They're kind of small, it's smaller rooms. I think those are definitely social housing over there, and these ones might be as well. These ones look like they are probably not right here, although I'm not so sure. Okay, so yeah, we're very, very close to the border. You can see St. Joseph's University straight ahead. And I don't know, this one, I think this is part of the harbor. There's some lifeguard things up there, or that's a pool, swimming pool. Let's see, here's kind of an older style building right here. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna combine it with a few streets. There's also a Travessa that we're gonna capture as well, so maybe we'll do that one as well. It's around the corner. Kind of an older style, Lingnan style house. Okay, let's just go over to the sidewalk here. You can see some, looks like almost like a car tarp up on top of there. I don't know if it is or not. More apartments. But yeah, that's St. Joseph. You can see a little bit of it over there. Let's just kind of see. Yeah, there's St. Joseph's right there, the university. And I think this is part of this port right there. And then you can kind of see all the way down that way as well. But we're gonna keep on walking. Very industrial. And this one is the Travessa do Canal dos Patos. There's also a main street up this way too. So I can see the street sign right there. We're gonna walk all the way down this one as well. Auto service. Looks like this might be a lot of auto service places in this space. So we'll go all the way down and see the car wash. Let's see. And we got some apartments to the left. And then I guess this is all kind of industrial, maybe more mechanics. Lots of mechanics in this street right here. Feels very quiet. And then straight ahead is actually the border. So yeah, it's kind of my effort to like film all the different streets of Macau. They'll all change in time, so who knows what it'll look like in the future. You know, maybe they'll tear this down and have something different here in the future. We just don't know, but I have it on record, kind of documenting the city in 2026, so we can see what it all looks like. So we're gonna come out to the top here. And I think there's another street over here too somewhere called a silo. Okay, so this is kind of what it looks like. I think a silo is straight down that way, so I might even walk down just a tiny little bit and see if I can do all four in one video. There's a hair salon place. And I think the Asilo Street will be straight ahead to the left. We'll combine all four of them if it is. Might not be. So it's called Marginal Ilha Verde is the name of this one. But the University of St. Joseph is right up there. So maybe this would be a good ending spot. You can see some of the tall apartments up here. And over there is all China on that side. Okay, and that's Qingmao Port. So you can actually go across from that port over to Zhuhai, China from there to there. So that's all Zhuhai, all of that. Okay. Okay, so this is this Rua do Laboratorio. This is part of it that I didn't film. I'm going to add it on to the end. Just in case I'm going to be labeling it. There's Qingmao Border Gate. We're going to be labeling this one without the Travessa because I'm going to do a separate video with Travessa. Just come up to the street sign here. Give you the context where we are. So there we are right there. That's the Rua do Laboratorio. Oops, sorry. Okay, so we will just complete this one and then just gotta give you some context. There's a port over that way, and I think that whole area is maybe a swimming pool up that way. And we'll end our video. Yeah, so that was Laboratorio Street right there. And the Chimao border gate is right over there too. Alright.